Cooking any kind of African food, that is the best thing that will happen to you. This is my water leaf, my vegetable ugu leaf. This is my Ponmo, you know. This is my periwinkle, which all of you know is beef. This is palm oil, what we call red oil. All right. Yes, this is my stockfish head. Very, very important. Now I'm going to put everything inside the pot to get set for spicing. Follow up to see the way I spice it. In case if this is your first time to come to this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. All right. Yes. Then the way you spice your meat matters. Very, very important, because foundation of everything is very, very important. All right. Yes, now I'm putting my pepper. You can cook this kind of soup without plenty money. Yes, if this is your first time to see my channel, do well. Okay, now we add our water. All right. Spicing your meat should be very, very important. Learn how to spice meat. Okay, now after 10 to 15 minutes, you check it to see the condition of the pot. Then when you open the pot, do well to use a spoon to scatter the stockfish head, so that go just gather. Then after scattering the head, what else will you do? You're gonna put your palm oil. When you put your palm oil, cook for at least 3 minutes. Okay, cook up for at least 3 minutes. What do you think? If you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Yeah, when you put your palm oil, as I said earlier, what else? After 3 minutes, what else? Put your water leaf. Very, very important. If you put your water leaf, please, I cover my own a little while. Don't cover your own if you want everything to remain green. Okay, don't cover. Once you put water leaf, don't cover. And if you cover this water leaf, the water from the water leaf will be much. Do you understand? I'm not adding water inside this soup. The water that I'm adding is the one produced by the water leaf. Okay, don't cover. As you put this, put your balanced fish. Very, very important. Then cook for 3 or 2 minutes. As I said, don't cover. I cover my own. Don't cover your own if you want it to remain green. Okay, then you add your crayfish and do well, because of there's no plenty water inside. Do well to do what? To turn to check if it's getting burnt under. You add a periwinkle. Then you turn. If you are watching the video to this extent, do well to subscribe. What are you waiting for? Then what else? You add your vegetable being ugu leaf. After this, food is almost getting set. Okay, don't cover if you want to maintain the green color of the leaf, being the water leaf and the ugu leaf. Once you put your ugu leaf, cook at least 1 to 2 minutes. Bring it down. Don't cook too much, because this is very healthy, but when you cook it too much, no problem.